First off, I want to say this. Lecha is trying her damnedest to get into her TikTok, so she must be banned. And two, Lecha, this is for you. Who the fuck do you think you are to sit there and threaten somebody who won't give you fucking money? Go to Devin, tell Devin to keep funding your fucking habit. Because this person that you keep begging isn't going to do it. And since you feel so comfortable talking to this person like they're a piece of shit, when in all actuality, you're the true piece of shit here, Lecha. I told this person to tell you the one thing she has never told you through these years. Get a fucking job. Oh, and Lecha, I have your Apple Pay number. And guess what? So is everyone else here real soon. See, I can still get into my TikTok. And that's where I'm going to post it. Bye, Felicia.